Hi everyone! Welcome to another encashment video kung saan mag-i-encash na naman tayo ng another bonus on top of my income while doing the task as an appointment setter. So as you can see, ayan yung account ko. Currently, may 561,000 na income. And right now, with the Just For You commission, nasa 240,000 pa. So mag-claim tayo ulit. Yan. So right now, mag-claim tayo ng 40,000 na bonus. So click lang natin yung apat na box para mag-claim. No? Ganito kaganda yung compensation plan ni I Am Worldwide na may Just For You bonus. So submit natin and then, tada, 40,000. Yan yung magre-reflect sa account ko. So let's check, no? Yun, pumasok na po. Oo. And, ayan. Kita natin, yung Just For You commission, nasa 280,000 na. And, ayun, 600,000 unlocked. So, ngayon, papakita ko din po sa inyo kung paano i-encash yung income ko na bonus. So, punta sa e-wallet. And doon, nagre-reflect na po yung aking for encashment na 51,000. So, ito po yung details ng bank account ko. So, input lang po yung details. Pwede lahat talaga i-encash. And of course, ayan, 51,479. So, since legit po yung ating company, no, meron po tong tax na 10%. So, yun, yung net amount na marireceive ko is 46,251.10. So, yan yung magre-reflect sa aking bank account. So, ito yung transaction ko so far. And boom, pumasok na po sa aking bank account. Sobrang grateful talaga ako sa opportunity na to. Thank you, Lord.